Hello, future financial geniuses. Have you ever thought that your money could generate more income without having to work 24/7? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to discover the superpower of investing. Imagine you have these little seeds. Instead of keeping them under the mattress, we can plant them. Magic. Well, no, it's called investing. You invest your money in something, like a business or project, in the hope that it will grow and give you more money in return. It's like stretching your bills. Think of it this way. If you just save, things get more expensive over time. Like your favorite ice cream. It used to cost 1 coin, now it costs 2. But if you invest wisely, that extra money you earn can help you buy that ice cream and much more. It's like having a secret helper to achieve your goals, buying that new bike, traveling, or having a more peaceful future. Don't worry. There are many ways to get started, even with little money. You can think of small pieces of big companies. Imagine owning a small piece of your favorite cell phone brand. Helping others grow. You lend a little to a project and they give you back a little. Oh, even bricks. Although it may seem like a lot, there are ways to start with less. The important thing is to do a little research and start small. Here are 3 golden secrets to getting off on the right foot. Save a little each month. It's like saving your loose change. Do some research before you jump in. Don't invest recklessly. Look for simple information. Be patient. Investing is like planting a tree. It takes time to bear fruit. And that's all for today, future star investors. Remember, there's no age to start making your money work for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more financial tricks without the headache, give it a thumbs up. That way we'll know you're enjoying it. And if you don't want to miss any secrets to making your money grow, subscribe to the channel. We have many more great ideas for you.